see, is Brown Sugar Babe overhyped or did they get it right? So, y'all see what I got? This is my first order from Brown Sugar Babes, and I'm excited. Let's see what I got. So this is Sweet Thing Spring. Oh, baby. It smells amazing. This is Cloud. It smells really good. I like how they have this, so I'm assuming so it doesn't spill out. And you could not use a lot, so I like this. I like this a lot because I've had plenty of bottles in general spill out. Oh, that smells really good. Oh my goodness. So this is marshmallow. Yeah. So this is Zaddy. So let's see what Zaddy is hitting on. You get the clove. Yeah. Yeah. It smells like a man. It's Muse, which is a Burberry Goddess dupe. I went and got my Angham and my Burberry Goddess. Put Burberry Goddess over here, Angham over here. Yeah. Yeah, they did that.